Okay, so now we are at Broadway, the beach in Myrtle Beach.
Yeah, which if you have never been before, you've come to Myrtle Beach, it's a very fun place to go. It's basically like the equivalent of a giant mall, except it's all outdoors and it's all centered around this big lake. So there's like bridges crossing the lake at these different points. Some of the shops are even on the stilts in the water. But there's like tons of restaurants, there's a movie theater, there's tons of shops, ice cream places, popcorn places. It's a really fun time.
Fish.
Yeah, there's like a ropes course, there's a zip line, there you can go boating on the pond. You can get those big inflatable balls and like walk around in the water. It's a cool place.
Overall, it's fun, yeah. So you should definitely come visit while you're here, but we'll show you around a little bit. Upside down house.
Upside down house, y'all. Only at Myrtle Beach.
It's probably too expensive to do.
Yeah.
Should we go check it out though?
We'll look at the price. Probably say no though.
Let's go see.
I don't even want to really do anything here. It's just like a ropes course, indoor theater.
Epic fail.
Hashtag lame.
Guys, look at this full moon. Oh, so gorgeous. So tonight we were walking at Broadway at the beach and we saw that it is a beautiful full moon tonight. So pretty. So we're going on a little hunt, a little chase to the beach to try to find, get a good picture with the full moon over the water. Won't that be gorgeous?
That'd be awesome.
So I hope that we can get some footage and you can see this beautiful moon.
Go Lunar Fam.
Nathan just killed a parallel parking job right by the boardwalk for me because I'm pregnant, so I don't have to walk far. I once spent 10 minutes trying to parallel park in a spot because I was doing it all wrong in Raleigh. Wasn't good.
It can be hard sometimes.
Yeah. Myrtle Beach enforces parking meter paying from 9 a.m. to 12 a.m. We're definitely in that limit. $1.75 an hour. Let's just get 30 minutes though, that would be great. That's the moon back there, guys. Perfect. That's great.
36.
We got this. 36 minutes.
We got this. Yeah, we're good.
We got this.
Wait.
Look at that moonlight trail. That's amazing. Right on the water.